In this video, I'm going to show you how you can derive the 30, 60, 90 special triangle. We're going to start off with an equilateral triangle where each of these angles is 60 degrees and each of the sides is equal to 2. Then what we're going to do is drop an altitude line from the top angle down to the bottom, and this effectively splits this angle here into two 30-degree angles, and it also splits the bottom two into 1 and 1. Alright, so we're going to erase that, and we'll also erase this. Now we're going to look at a single side of the split triangle. So we're actually going to, I'll draw it again up in the top right here. This line that we dropped, we're going to give it a height of h, so I'll put h here. This is 30 degrees. This is our 90 degree. When we dropped it straight down. This still has a length of 2, and then this has a length of 1. Okay, so we're going to zoom in even more. To make this derivation a little bit easier, we're going to turn this value 1 into x. So this was 1. Then we can use some algebra to turn this into 2x. So 2 times 1. We're going to get rid of that. Get rid of that. Now we can use the Pythagorean Theorem to figure out the rest. Here we have x squared plus h squared equals 2x squared. Alright, now we will multiply this side out, so we're going to have 4x squared. We can subtract this across. H squared equals 3x squared. Now we'll take the square root of both sides. H is going to equal x times the square root of 3. So let's plug that in. And now we have derived the 30, 60, 90 triangle, and we can see where all those side lengths come from.